today's video, we are going in the lake because today it's my day off and it's summer here in America. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you always guys for watching. See you there. We are waiting for our order, fried chicken. It's so very nice. Nasa Ohio kami guys. Ayan. Tapos na kaming mag-order guys. Tayo na. Punta na kami ng lake. Tcharam! Lake time. That's nice. It's not crowded. Nice. I like the radio station. So we have to pay. Yeah, my hubby wants to park. He wants to go inside. So we're gonna pay. How much? Yes.
Yeah.
5.
This is a Jeep, all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. Stay in the middle where it's hard path. This is get you in and out. And close at 8 o'clock tonight.
You can park right up here.
You can park wherever you want. Just be careful. It's
All right.
really deep. The sand's really deep.
All right, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Bye bye.
Here. We always go. Okay, for now. We have it to the program. Just only here. We don't want now to go somewhere else. Ah, yeah, I feel it. Because we go that way. We go in there. Yeah. We're gonna stuck here. Yeah, it's deep. It's okay. We just only go here. Okay. The lake day! Tada! Kaya, ipa-under daw yung 4-wheel. Hindi naman deep eh. It's not too very deep. Tada! Chewing! Tada! We just only hear that. Oh, it's so bad. No guys, it's not so very crowded. Iniwanan eh. Testing. Testing the water. It's sweet in here. I don't like it. In here, oh. No, we have to go that way. Doon kami, oh. Diyan na, wala na kanya ako, uy. Ala, nagbitbit niya ako. Hindi nagbitbit eh. Pasaway. Ano ba bibitbitin ko dito? Ang dami. Timba. Electric pan. Yeah, it's deep nga. Doon kami bantay. Sige nga guys, mag-load na muna kami. Maya na ako Video ka pa dyan. Oo nga, ang deep nga. Oh, ayun oh. Diyan na. See? Kita mo? Ayan. Dito talaga yung favorite ko doon. See? Here's all my favorite. Dali na nilagayan ko ah. Ouch. Ouch. Wala masyado. Doon ang daming tao. Tingnan mo doon. Dito hindi masyado malinis pa. Clear blue sky today. We set up our tent. Mas mahal ulit sa rent. Tiyana! Tigreta na naman ako nito. Bilad sa araw. Ayan o. Isang oras ako dito maghawak. Sabi niya hawakan mo dali. Siya, kuha ng tubig. Wow! Sinabibuha. Buang ka talaga. Grabe, tigreta na naman ako. Ang daming alam eh. Grabe yung humbak. Kala mo talaga humbak lake yan, hindi yan salty water. So relaxing. Namumulat sila ng ano, crystal. Na-set up na yung tent. Tiyana! Galing ah. Eating time. Yan na. I'm not sure. Siya nagdala ng upuan. Kain ng wings. Ganda dito guys. So very relaxing. Ayun o. May tent kami. We are in Ohio. May mga namumulat ng stone. Malimit yung tubig. Sige guys, I'm gonna enjoy with this beautiful weather today. Because tomorrow, work na. Going out the water for swings. Tayo na mag-swimming. Yung videographer ko kumakain pa. daing ni Greta na guys. Ay, grabe. Ang ganda talaga dito. Nice. Ayan. Ah, grabe. Paano nila dinala yung car nila? Lagyan nila ng Papa Jesus in there. Galing nila. Ayan, dito. Ayun yung hobby ko. Mag-ingat ka. Ikaw uuwi sa Pilipinas. Ay, grabe. Grabe yung dalawang babae dyan kanina tumawid. Oh, hindi ko na danger. Pumunta pa talaga doon. Nice. There's someone spoke Papa Jesus in there. Oh. So very relaxing. Ay. It's feel like you are in the Philippines. Oh, diba? I want to try to lay in the sun with that. Oh my. Oh, it's so very hot. Oh gosh. Oh. Sabi hindi ko kaya to guys. Ay, yung sun. Oh, grabe ang init. It's blue sky today guys. So very hot. Oh. Gayahin ko yung ginagawa nila. They are doing like this, like here. Holy wow, it's so very hot. Not me! Tapos nakalimutan. Grabe guys. No, I can't do it. Hala. Ayan na. Mga siga. It's getting closer because I have that food. And show. Seagull. Come here. Sama. Okay, we are done guys. Ayun ang saya doon ah. Ayun. Ako magbibihis. Grabe ni Gra. Okay guys, pauwi na kami. Basa. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye. Basa. 4x4 naka-activate. Kasi nga maano, sand. Dami pa rin tao. They like going here like the dawn until 8 o'clock, ano? You have to pay $5 parking if you want to go inside.